Hello everyone, today I'm going to attempt to balance a can of soda on its edge. But as you see, this is impossible. This is because the center of mass of the can of soda is displaced to the right of the vertical as symbolized by this pencil. However, if I pour enough of the soda out, I can displace the center of mass of the soda can to the left and align it perfectly with the vertical in such a way that the can of soda balances on its edge. And this is how you balance a can of soda on its edge.